Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. As you can tell, filthy. I've been in here for a little bit, working away, boring stuff, just little stuff. So what I got done is I got all the wheels ripped off, kind of just checking over the suspension and stuff. There was that one loose tie rod end, got that tightened up. So as I'm walking around the car, checking things over, having a little look, and I'm wiggling the tire. You can probably hear that. I'm like, oh man, sounds like I need a wheel bearing. So I slide under here. What do I see? Tie rod end isn't even tight. Oh, good grief. Yeah, I raised the coilovers all an inch. So I got a little more ride height because these streets around here be nasty. Yeah, kind of just checked everything over. I'm definitely going to need a brake line back here at some point because it just needs to be changed. They got the exhaust. She was dangling before, so I got that all buttoned up, and man, that's not quite straight, but that's where it's gonna be. What's that? Race car stuff. Spring clamp. What else did we do here? Got some brake lines rerouted on this one because they were questionably placed. So, and resealed the axle boot on this because there's grease everywhere. It must have come apart at some point. I'll probably need a new axle on this side, but you know what? We'll deal with that when we deal with that. I got catch can installed. All right, so I'm going through my box here. And I remember to have this old catch can I got, I think, with a Pro Charger kit for my truck. So I think I have figured out that I'm going to put it tucked in right in this little corner here. I just need to move a little bit of wiring and zip that down. I got a filter for it to just glue in the top back on. That put on after, and then yeah, that should be deadly. Just one more thing to add to this bay to make it super cluttered and hard to work on. Boom. Tighten up the clamp a little bit. Got ourselves a catch can. I just ran it from top of valve cover, ran the hose down, and then I just plugged this one off because it had a spot for two. So if I ever get this valve cover tapped and get another bung in it somewhere, then at least I can run another one. And yeah, drain is on the bottom. I can reach it from the bottom, and it looks like it should drain straight out, should not hit anything. So that's mint. Moving on. Got these all scuffed down. I'm just gonna shoot a quick spray of paint on them, clean them up a little bit. Got the strut tower bar off. That's in the back. I'll paint that right away while we're here. So we got about 3-4 coats and 2 coats of clear, and she is drying up pretty nice. I got a little bit of something going on there, but you know what, whatever, it is what it is. This one doesn't look too bad. No major runs, nothing I couldn't show my friends. You know, the thing about using flyers for masking tape or for masking paper is you don't know what you needed until you have to stand around for 10 minutes to let it flash off. Like, look at this. I didn't know I needed a chair pad. And then I was looking here and I'm like, oh, my back is kind of sore. I could use a chair pad. Or you know, what kind of game you got going on here? Find the blue button. Take an extra 50% off. Well, where's the blue button? I don't see any blue button. Yeah, I know. I'm hilarious, right? Dad jokes. So we will, I'll let her dry up a little bit. I'll go run in and have some supper. Leave the heat on in here, let her cure up, and then after, and run out and walk slowly out. It's icy outside. I don't know. I'll make my way out here. Relax. And we'll get all this stuff ripped off of here, put the strut bar back on, and yeah, see where we go from there. All right, back from supper. This should be plenty cured up now. We'll, oh yeah, no fingerprints there. Perfect. I'll pull this paper off, see how it looks. I always hate pulling the paper off because, as satisfying as it is, really, the guy just sees how badly he prepped for painting. But if you did your prep right, then it's very satisfying. I don't know. I'm just talking. What do I know? I didn't even take my intake pipes off to paint. Clean that up later. Not bad. Put the strut bar on. That's awkward with one hand. All right, let me untape this and then I'll grab the camera again. Well, there is nothing wrong with that. Cleaned it up a lot. I'm not the biggest fan of high gloss black, but I found a can. I didn't have to leave the house. That is at least 48% better than it was. So, I mean, and I know, like, you're going to get dust, fingerprints on there, especially since it's a high gloss. It's not going to stay nice for super long, but for now, that works for me. Can't wait to get it outside and actually get a wash underneath all the bay and everything like that. And yeah, it'll be exciting. I was editing the other day and I'm like, where did these come from? These nasty weld looking things. And then I remembered that way back in the day, we had a top mount intercooler that sat right in here. And that's why this hood, I don't know if you can tell, it's hard to tell on camera, but this hood is a different shade of green altogether. And it's because we cut the factory one up and it was put it on the side and it had a Subaru style mount coming out the other side. And yeah, we ran a top mount intercooler on here. I probably still have it somewhere. So, but yeah, that's what those are from. Ugly. To grind them down someday and paint them and all this carnage. And like, how did This poor bay has taken a beating. You can just see there's just no paint left. Like, it's haggard. That's what happens when you have half a dozen motors in something and you just don't care. Stupid kid. Whatever. Alright, guys. I think that's where we're going to shut her down for today. I got a few little things left, but I mean, it's not even worth filming. Like, I got to adjust park brake cables and put the wheels back on. So we're going to do that off camera. And then actually going to move this thing out and try and get the Datsun back in here, get some work done on that here. And yeah, that'll be probably my next video. Will be Datsun one. So that's exciting. It's been a while. So anyway, if you made it this far, I appreciate you. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one.